Fans and family, a YouTube family, a long time. I'm not giving an update from my goat farm. Yeah, man, it's growing. Yeah, last night you see me, I have 3 goats. I don't remember, but it's growing. See me? Some beautiful goats right now. Yeah. Lot of young babies too. I want to see them there, clean and nice. Must I give you know a little update on the goat farm. I'm gonna see what I go on. It's been a while. It's long overdue actually. Yeah, so you must remember I did have this one. Then I did born one time, I did stop giving some update on the goat farm. So guys, see them there? Yeah, man. Nice. Yeah, so we just go in from feeding now. Man, so some nice machine on the farm. Remember him? 100 small. Yeah. Boy, it's a big man, you know. Yeah, guys, so this is it, you know, just to give you a quick update on the farm. Because I say I'm going to drop it. And the boy say hello to YouTube fans. Ranking ready for it. Curry goat, you know, a soup. Well ranked. Yeah, man, everybody clean and look good.